Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Manulife Bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar type in manulifebank.ca. It will take you to the official website of Manulife Bank, and in this interface you can see the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on it. And over here, choose your banking types. Once you do that, it will take you to this interface. Over here, click on sign in button. It will take you to the login portal of Manulife Bank, and over here enter the username of your account. You can check mark this remember me if you are using your private computer, but I do not recommend if you are using public or shared computer. And in case if you guys forgot your username, you can reset it by clicking here forgot your username. And over here in the password section, enter the password of your account. To confirm what you have typed, click here on the show button. Also, in case if you guys forgot your password, you can reset it by clicking here forgot your password. And after that, click here on sign in. You will be signed into your Manulife Bank account. So this is how you can log in into your Manulife Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.